G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanus 430 Astrid the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. In our last episode, we were jumping off the side of the boat into this crystal clear water. Join us now as we get to the bottom of our mainsail problems, and as always, we learn a lot in the process. We really hope you enjoy this episode. If you do, please hit subscribe. We're really trying to get to the 1,000 subscriber mark this year, and we're getting closer and closer. We'd love for you to come along on our journey as we get ready to sail around the world. Enjoy the episode. So you remember that we had an issue with the main where the pulley goes through.
So this little inspection hatch here, we think we'll be able to pull our in and out haul back around so we don't have that problem anymore. So we'll just take that off. Hopefully it just pops out and we don't lose these screws. If you want to grab that bucket, put it underneath for me, just in case. One. And someone's had a crack at these before. Look, you can see they're all burred up.
Yeah. I need to get new ones, do you think?
Nah, it's alright. So I feel like that's off. Oh, there's another one up there. Holy crap, how are we going to get that?
Okay, we thought we'd just undo the screws and we can pop out this inspection plate, which is in fact true. However, I'll show you right up underneath there, there's a screw at the top that we can't get to. So it is, hopefully you can see, it's right up here. And this is in the way. So we're thinking if we loosen this off and just bring it up enough that that goes up, but not enough to drop the actual, this is clearly our boom here. So we just want to be able to raise that up enough to get that up and then be able to get a screwdriver in to there. I don't think it's going to be enough, but fuck, nothing's ever easy, hey? Like, it's just this should be a simple fix, but it's just bloody now difficult. So unless there's a tiny weeny screwdriver and an elf that can hold the screwdriver and get it in there, this is a bit shit. Popped out to get this done, and it's going to be a lot longer, I think, than we expected. As is everything that we do on the boat. It takes a lot of time, and there's specific tools just for it, so you end up having to go and bloody buy everything. Anyway, comment for us if you've got an idea on how to actually get to that screw. That's going to be a bit easier. It's like if we need an Allen key that's not got an Allen key end but a screwdriver end, so it's got that bend. That's kind of what we need. Anyway, Gav's down in the shed trying to make something happen. The other job we got today is cleaning up the deck. We've got this special stuff that puts a coating kind of thing on the deck. We're going to do that. Deck looks pretty good. But yeah, it just needs a bit of love, and our clears need some love as well. There. So I took the cover off ready. We'll give them a clean too. We just want to get this done first. So Gav's just come back up from the shed. Did you find an elf with tiny fingers and a tiny screwdriver? So we didn't find an elf with tiny fingers and tiny screwdrivers, but Gav did find the tool that we needed. Hey babe, so you've loosened it here.
Well, we've taken the nut off the bottom of that, so we just need to get into there.
Yeah.
We don't need to take the whole thing off, which is good.
And we've tied, hopefully you can see the rope at the end of the boom. Yeah,
like a bit of a preventer. It's a bit windy and there's no sail or anything, but we wanted to make sure the boom didn't come around and smash someone. So.
Yeah, it's blowing up to 20 knots this afternoon, so we just wanted to take that precaution, but now we're going to try and get into this little window.
Oh, can you see if it's coming?
Yeah, it is. It's turning. Yep. Okay, so we got the plate, all the screws off. Gav's about to pull the plate out. It's out.
Yeah, it's out.
Okay, let's get up in there.
Can't see shit.
It's not going to do what we wanted it to do. Fuck.
Damn it.
Can we see if we... You can't see the rope at all? I can't see from here. This rope's literally slipped off the pulley. We just got to get it back. We're missing about 3 meters on the port side. So we just need to get it back onto the pulley that's in there. We thought taking the inspection plate off would mean that we could see what we were doing to do that. But apparently we can't. I haven't. So where is that bloody pulley then? Jesus Christ. Do we have to take this whole thing off? This?
I bet we do. I bet we do.
Wow. How did we do that? It's stuck in there.
They all come. Hey? It's just a seal.
Holy shit. Remember what I said about things escalating on the boat every time we try to do something? We now have to take this off. That's right, isn't it, babe? We're going to undo all of this. And the worry is, of course, that the boom's going to drop. So we release the halyard line from here. And we've clipped it onto here. And then we've cleated it off.
It's not going to happen.
Here. Again, things are never easy. So these screws are well and truly Loctited, I guess, in, and we're going to have to get other tools to attempt to get them undone. It's frustrating. So yeah, we are temporarily stalled here.
Yeah, we are. These salty sea dogs will tell me that if I just drop the main, take this off here and then spin it that way, do you reckon that it's going to work? Well, let's try it, see what happens. There you go.
We are the test case scenario.
Oh, everyone else knows how to do it. We just don't know. It's going to have to come out. A little. Oh yeah, we're going to pull it out. So.
Pull out the sail?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we've disconnected this thing, which is called the Who's He What's It. It's a technical sailing term. You guys probably don't know about it because you haven't been sailing as long as us. And so the Who's He What's It's disconnected, and look what happens when I do this. Free.
Oh wow.
Free as a bird.
Oh babe, that's amazing. I didn't know that.
Yeah, cool, eh?
So what does that mean?
Means that we just have to pull this rope through.
Okay.
And the Who's He What's It will
get to the right
stay
spot.
there. As long as this Who's He What's It stays there and doesn't fall off and get entangled.
Yeah.
We should be Bob's your uncle.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So excited.
So you stay there and I'll pull the Who's He What's It through.
Okay, so am I filming or helping or what am I doing?
You can just stay there.
Okay.
I'll make sure it's about even.
Okay.
Actually, it needs to be more on this side, doesn't it?
Well, you'll know because of where the knot is.
Yeah. Magic will happen.
Magic's going to happen. Yep.
Just want to guide it through.
How's it looking, babe?
Very good. So, oh yeah.
Need a little bit more.
Oh, it's about even enough.
Okay.
There's plenty there. So we'll put that inspection plate back on.
Yep.
And we'll put the technical Who's He What's It back on.
And we'll put this back through we have to put this through the boom?
Yeah, that's not the last thing we do though.
Okay, alright. The last thing we're going to do. I'm very proud of us, /Gav, for figuring this out. This has been a big job. And
I need to get through.
yeah. We had someone come and look at it and tell us we needed a whole new mast. Obviously, that was not true. So all fixed. Yay! Now we'll just put it back together. This is how we celebrate a job done. Cheers, babe. Good thinking.
Yeah, there you go. We did it.
Just got one thing left to do, haven't we? The
Yeah.
inspection plate is an issue, so getting it back in.
The little screws didn't take in the. So I have to reseat that somehow, or get some bigger screws, or do something. So
Yeah.
or we'll seek some advice
Yeah.
from YouTube.
We're good at seeking advice. We want as much advice as we can get. We're big on learning from everyone else, so
Yeah.
give us advice, but also give us praise for managing to do that, because we're big on the praise as well. So big job done for us. And it's stinking hot today, like it always is, but it must be 35 degrees out there and it's the middle of the day. We just didn't anticipate it was going to take so long. So anyway, it's all good. Getting to know more and more little inside pieces of the boat. So we're here at the Royal Queensland Yacht Squadron.
Fancy pants section.
Yeah, in the fancy pants seats, and we are here to see Nettie and Soph tonight, who are speaking about their quest that they're about to start for Melbourne to Osaka race. So we're very excited. We've been watching Slim and Soph on Sailing Nakama since forever, so huge fans. So we're fanning it over here. I doubt they know who we are on the other side of the coin. And Hills, what are you excited about?
Just having the evening here with your wife as well. And also meeting Soph and
Yes.
Nettie, and an amazing story after their Sydney to Hobart trip as well.
It's going to be a good night.
Up there with the pink fella.
Oh yes.
Hills.
Not tonight, on Saturday.
Many years ago, our Hills became quite obsessed with Jessica Watson when she was going around the world. And then we all went, Hills and I went along to a night with Jessica where she talked about her trip around the world. And we had photos taken with her. And this person was extremely excited.
Was it the Irish Club?
It was at the Irish Club in Brisbane, that's right. The Irish Club. And we didn't get kicked out, so that was good. We have the kids over and we're just discussing.
Ungrateful little kids. Ungrateful little shits.
We're discussing, and we have a lot of things we'd like to give them because of the downsize, and we're just trying to share things to help them. I'm just going to let them tell you what they think about us sharing our things. How would you like to explain what it looks like, guys?
Yeah, different story now the camera's on.
We're going to be given a whole bunch of stuff that we'll never use.
It's interesting that we're trying to downsize too.
Probably get this lure in about a year's time.
No, you
It'll
won't
be
get a lure.
Still in the box.
That's my
which will
lure.
be incentive.
Don't even put it with your stuff.
We'll probably get this laminator. Maybe
Well,
one for
actually,
Easter.
you can have that laminator. We've got it.
We've got one.
We've got it on Marketplace.
Astrid fans out
All
there
of
that want
these-
frames for 20
All
bucks,
of these
they
frames are going. We offered them to you, but you don't want them.
Most-
So we're trying to offer you our things.
Yeah.
You want none of them.
No.
You don't want our shit.
No, we've already got our own shit.
But what if it's good stuff?
Then you keep it.
No, but we can't take. But we can't take it onto the boat.
But this is not good stuff.
Okay, so at the moment we're giving you a lot of
I
stuff.
don't even know who these people are.
What about when we're on the boat and we try to give you things like, here's some fresh lobster? That's what that's going to look like. Are you going to want
It'll
that?
be here's some used fishing line.
Oh, see.
What about this?
Oh, there's a painting that
I
you...
was already given one of these by you, and
No,
it's sitting in
no,
my
you
room.
But that's by my granddad though, so that's different.
Makes you feel bad.
No, it doesn't. I don't feel
That is
bad.
by your granddad. Paige, what about on the table there? What was that you just had there that none of you want? The turtle.
Yeah, you don't even want it, and it's from Tori.
Yeah, because I made this in grade 8 as a class project, Mum.
Let's have a look at how great
It's
it is.
not even anatomically correct.
This could be treasure. In the
We don't want it.
It's ocean themed.
I actually didn't think it was. I didn't think it was Tories because most of the stuff that you made at school was really shit.
like
Do you want any of my shoes, Aiden?
Oh, yeah. No, I don't want any issues.
No.
Guys, what about the map of the world? This is the thing that we're really struggling with.
Yeah.
Like, you could put this in your bedroom.
No.
It's
We don't-
small.
My bedroom's even that wide.
We don't have a wall big enough for that
Well,
we could hang that on.
It was a problem when we got it here as well, to be
Yeah.
fair. I gave Gab the world.
That wasn't it?
We're going to sell it to an art shop. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And please join us next week when I manage to take the boat out of the marina for the first time. We are all learning new skills on board Sailing Astrid the Wombat in preparedness for us to journey around the world. So please join us for this journey. We're getting ready. There's some really exciting things happening over the next few months. So we'll see you back here next week. See ya!